In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Kanban board in Smartsheet. We'll walk through this from a completely blank starting point. So even if you're new to Smartsheet or to Kanban, you'll be able to follow along. A Kanban board is a visual way to manage work, usually with columns like To Do, In Progress, and Done. By the end of this video, you'll have your own board set up and ready to customize for your team or your personal projects. First, open Smartsheet and go to the Home area. On the left side of your screen, look for the plus icon in the sidebar. This icon is used for creating something new, like a sheet, report, or in our case, a board. Go ahead and click that plus icon. If you don't see it right away, make sure your browser window is maximized so the full sidebar is visible. As soon as you click the plus icon, Smartsheet will open a creation panel or page showing different options. Here you'll see things like grid, project, and other templates. What you're looking for is the option labeled Board. This is the view designed for Kanban-style task tracking. Click on Board to start creating your Kanban board. After you select Board, Smartsheet will guide you through a series of on-screen prompts. These prompts might include naming your board, choosing where to save it, and selecting whether you want to start from a blank board or from a template. Take a moment to give your board a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to find later, something like Marketing Kanban or Team Tasks. Next, follow the remaining prompts to finish the setup. If Smartsheet suggests default columns, you can accept them for now, because you can always edit or rename columns later to match your workflow. Once the board is created, you'll be able to click into any column and add cards for your tasks, assign them to people, set due dates, and move them across the board as work progresses. As you follow the on-screen instructions, don't worry about making everything perfect right away. The key is to get the board created first. You can refine the column names, card details, and colors as you start using it and see what works best for you and your team. And that's it. By clicking the plus icon, choosing board, and following the prompts, you've created a Kanban board in